Hey guys, it's Kat and welcome back to my channel. So today's video, I was able to buy some of Jeffree Star's lip ammunations, and this is the summer collection 2019. I've already done a video on the rest of the collection. I was able to buy at least one thing from every single part of the collection, like the eyeshadow palette, the highlighting palette, the lipsticks, the lip scrubs. I was able to get a part of every single kind of like collection that he did. I was able to get 4 of them, and I've got one on my lips at the moment. This one is Candy Freeze. I'm going to try them on their own like this, and also on top of a lipstick. Probably lipsticks from this collection and maybe some from another one, I'm not too sure yet, but we'll be trying them on their own and with a lipstick. So here's the outer packaging for the lip ammunations. I'm loving the colour scheme this year. I just think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the lime green, and then it's got all the colours on top. The lip ammunations have 3.40 grams of product in, and they were £16. So I'm just going to start off with the one that I've got on my lips already, and it is called Candy Freeze, and it's a lovely pink shade. So on the packaging it says extreme pigment, creme brulee infused, highly addicting, cruelty free and vegan. Beauty tip: can be used alone or with an eyeliner. Our formula has 1 swipe coverage. We know it smells delicious, but these are not edible, because I know his velour lip scrubs are edible, so these aren't, even though they do smell delicious. So here's the actual packaging for the lip ammunations. It just looks like a bullet. Really cute. I love the stars going around the whole packaging. I have never tried a lip ammunation before, so I was really excited to try these out. So here's Candy Freeze. It is very much a vibrant pink. Every single one of these shades do have glitter in, but you can't feel it in the formula on your lips. It is very much smooth. Let me just do a swatch. And here's the swatch for Candy Freeze. Just look at that. It's so pretty. Really pretty on its own already. You can obviously see the glitter, but you can't feel it on your lips or in the formula. So this is what it looks like on its own. No lipstick or lip liner underneath it. It's really pigmented and beautiful. Very shiny. It feels amazing. It does have a nice smell to it. I don't think I would guess it's creme brulee if I didn't know what it was. But it does smell very sweet. So now on to the next lip ammunation, and this one is in the shade Glazed. This is described as a soft warm gold with pink reflex in. So let's have a look. And here's the shade Glazed. You can definitely tell it's got pink reflex. I'm not sure if it's showing up on camera or not, but it is a pretty colour. And there's the swatch for Glazed there. You can definitely tell it's a gold shade, but you can see the pink reflex in it as well. It doesn't look like it's got the same sort of glitter shimmer as the pink one. The glitter isn't as chunky as it is in the pink one to the gold one. I don't know if you can see that or not. It's more glittery in the top one than the bottom one. Okay, so I've taken Candy Freeze off. Now I'm going to try the Glazed on my lips and see how that is. Wow, I love this shade. It would look perfect on a matte red lipstick, just in the middle to give it a little bit of shine. But wow, it is super stunning. So that one is Glazed. So the next shade I have is called Snowcone, and it's described as an extraterrestrial glittery green shade. Now try saying that 5 times. But I love how he's described the shade. So let's take a little look at it. I haven't seen it yet. Wow, okay. I can see a lot of differences in the last 2 to this one. One being there's not as much glitter in this one as the other ones. Not on the surface anyway. It might be underneath, but the glitter's not as like chunky or big in the formula. I'm not sure if you can see. You can see some glitter in there, but it's not as what the pink was like. I'll show you again. But it's not as glittery as what the pink looks like. But I am excited to try it out. Let's do a swatch. So there's the swatch for Snowcone. I've got nothing like this in my collection. It is absolutely stunning. The only thing I will say is when I was pressing down to do this swatch, it has indented the side. I don't know if it's too hot in here or it's just, I don't know. But that's happened on Snowcone. I don't know if it's done it on the others. I would just check quickly. Yeah, I don't know if you can see, it's also happened on Candy Freeze. It's just pressed against the side when I'm applying it to my lips or swatching it to make the indent going across. It's also done it on Glazed, but you can see a line going down the middle as well. Not sure why the line down the middle happened, but obviously I know why it's gone across. They're still beautiful and they apply fine. Right, let's get back to Snowcone. I'm just going to take this one off and then apply this one to my lips. Right, so Snowcone. But again, it's a stunning shade on its own. It's just made the indent worse. It's going to make me not want to use them because I don't want to ruin them. But as you can see, it's all dented. But it is a stunning shade even on its own. Okay, so now on to the last shade, and this one is in Yummy. Now this is described as a metallic light purple with glitter. Now I think I'm going to like this one just as much as the purple one. I think those are going to be my two favourites. So let's try it out because I haven't seen it yet and I'm excited. Wow. Stunning. I mean, you can see with the lip ammunitions that there's no dent or anything before I use it. It's just when I'm using it, it does just obviously go against the side and make a dent. So sad, but it does happen sometimes. Now this is a stunning colour. You can definitely see the glitter in this one. Now let me just do a swatch. So that's a swatch that I could do for the Yummy. It's not as pigmented as the Candy Freeze. I'm not sure why. Again, you see the indents, so it must be that it's so hot and when I'm pressing them down onto my lips that it is indenting them, which is sad. So hopefully when it cools down a little bit, I'll be able to use them a little bit more. So by the swatch, it doesn't look like it's going to be one of my favourites, but it might be different on my lips. So I'm just going to apply it to my lips quickly. So here's the shade Yummy. So it's not the most pigmented out of the four. I would say the Candy Freeze is. It's probably my favourite out of all of them. But it's still a nice subtle shade. I think if you just want like a glittery lip, this would definitely be the one because you can't really tell it's purple. You can only see a tiny little bit of pink reflex. There's no like actual colour other than the glitter. So that's a little bit disappointing because I really wanted it to be as bright as the Candy Freeze, as purple as it, but it is still pretty. It's still very much glittery. I'm just very disappointed that it's not as pigmented. So those are the 4 lip ammunitions that I got from Jeffree Star Summer Collection 2019. But overall, I think they're absolutely beautiful. The only thing that I'm really disappointed in, again, is the Yummy and how it's not as pigmented as the rest. Obviously, my favourite is Candy Freeze. I am just obsessed with that shade and I'm probably going to wear it a lot. But I do think I want to try some of these on top of some lipsticks. So I have got Fully Nude here and I want to try the Candy Freeze on top of it like he did in his video to see if I get the same results because that was just stunning and I really want to see if it works together. So I'm going to apply a Fully Nude first and then I'm going to do the Candy Freeze on top. So I've just applied the Velour liquid lipstick in Fully Nude onto my lips. Now I'm going to take the Candy Freeze and apply it on top. And he just places it on top and it makes a really nice shade. So let me try it out and see what it's like. So it's just added a lot of glitter to the Fully Nude. It hasn't altered the colour at all. Maybe just a little bit of pink to it, but it hasn't really like altered it, just given it a lot of glitter. So I do like it. It does make the Velour liquid lipstick more creamy, so it's not as matte. I would definitely use this one on top of this lipstick again and any of the other ones that I have. So it just adds a really nice moisturising like lippy on top of a matte lipstick. So I love that. I do love that you can use them on top of a product as well as on their own. So I'm really impressed with Jeffree Star's lip ammunitions and I'll definitely be purchasing some more. So again, I'm really impressed with Jeffree Star's lip ammunitions. I think that's it for this video. I'm not going to apply any more. There's not much else I can say about them. I think my lips have gone through enough tonight. check out my video on the other part of this collection, because I did get a lot and I went through with the entire collection and obviously applied them all to my face. That was a very fun video and you should definitely go and check it out. I'll have it linked up here somewhere. So yeah. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, please like, subscribe and hit that notification bell, ding ding. Also come and follow me on my Instagram. Instagram is somewhere down here and it's also linked in my description box for you guys to go and check that out. So thanks for watching. Until next time, bye guys.